The hard part of stacking credentials and degrees is over. It used to be that if they were lost or damaged, there was no way to get them back. It's possible that the responsible foundation won't even exist in a few years. Sharing these credentials is also a huge task, since testaments are real buildings. The time it takes for the exchange Digibyte was based on an idea that its lead creator, Jared Tate, had in 2014. Digibyte was brought to the public's attention mainly to solve the problems of fast decentralization and security. Digimon's creator, Jared Tate, is also known as the Digimon starting block, which was mined in 2014. At the time, blockchain was just getting started. IDEFI Digibyte was the first blockchain on the planet to include a feature called SegWit. This unique feature means that data related to exchanges will usually be put together separately and not with the other data on the same block. This dramatically speeds up exchanges. Digibyte will definitely bring revolutionary change to the digital money market. This kind of technology will be a great way to show that payment systems are getting better and faster. It will also help to show that payment systems are becoming more progressive. Digibyte has a lot of promise, and its local token, DGB, will likely make it one of the most attractive coins on the cryptocurrency market. High protection and speed at the exchange. What is not clear yet is how the government as a whole will compare Digibyte's natural value to that of other important resources. It's not surprising that a group of qualified examiners and cryptographers is making and keeping up with digital money. It wouldn't be too much of a stretch to say that Digibyte coins can help people make smart deals and move money. Digibyte's price is mostly determined by how quickly and cheaply transactions can be made. This allows for faster improvements and better performance, which leads to faster and safer transactions. Crypto resources are strong in large part because they are not controlled by or subject to any governing body. This means that they are not subject to any laws or rules that restrict their use. So, Digibyte fans say that this stage is fully reliable even if nothing else goes wrong. People who live in countries that aren't very strong have the power in their hands. They are better off putting their hard-earned money in DGB than in stocks or bonds. From its start in 2014, the coin's value didn't change much, and investors didn't have much to look forward to. The Digibyte craze really took off in December 2017, when the resource rose to 12 cents, giving it a market capitalization of more than $1.2 billion. Digibyte kept trading down for the next 2 years and fell to a low of $0 in 2020. However, after that, the DGB coin regained its strength and saw huge growth, reaching an all-time high of 18 cents on May 1, 2021. Since then, the DGB price has been fluctuating between highs and lows, and the DGB price is currently around $0. Digibyte's value prediction for 2023 to 2030 is that it will be one of the most important kinds of advanced money on the crypto market. Rising as a very strong and active power, DGB will be the first choice of investors, especially since it has been around for a very long time and continues to grow. Investors have put their money into this token because it has a feature that will never change. This digital currency is going to set a standard for how it's presented, bringing in a lot of investors and beating all expectations, according to Digibyte cost estimate. The steady rise in the price of DGB might not have won at the top digital currency level. But smart investors have learned to believe that this coin will work and make a big difference for Trey. This is especially true if we look at the new exhibition of the last year, which shows that Digibyte has done more than just rise on the market. One thing that stood out toward the end of last year was that the DGB coin is putting down strong roots and rising to the top of the markets. Based on our quick technical analysis, the coin has the following qualities. The future value of a bit 2023 Digibyte has set up a fast, reliable business and focuses on the customer experience of its products. These things can help it get a much higher Digibyte price of 2 cents before the year is over. If the push for useful crypto goes on until 2023, the most DGB will cost is about 2 cents. According to what we expected from Digibyte predicts that 2024 will be a good year for the company. It is possible that Digibyte will be able to break through the 2 cents barrier and hold the market until the end of 2024. The Digibyte prediction says that if the coin broke all the rules north of 2026, its financial backers would surely make a lot of money. The price of a DGB could go over 4 cents by the end of 2026, according to TGB estimates. 2027, according to the Digibyte measure, the coin will grow a lot in 2027, and it could reach another high point. The average price of a bit should be 4 cents. The lowest and highest DGB costs may be around 3 cents and 5 cents, respectively. Each Digibyte's value is expected. The Digibyte future cost prediction says that the price of a Digibyte will go over 5 cents in 2028. In the meantime, the price of a Digibyte should be at least worth 4 cents. By the end of 2028, the most it could cost could be 6 cents. Digibyte price estimate for 2029, by the end of 2029, Digibyte could cost 7 cents. Digibyte also says that the lowest price for a DGB coin could be up to 6 cents and the highest price could be around 8 cents. Expected value of a bit between 20 and 30 Digibyte is meant to bring about a big change in 2030. DGB price estimates say that by the end of 2030, it could be worth more than the average of 9 cents. Digibyte should cost around 7 cents at the very least. Also, the highest number that DGB can reach is 11 cents. The value of Bitcoin should be in line with Conton. Bitcoin costs $27,362 and 29 cents right now, and $14.53 billion is traded in 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, BTC has gone up by 1.03%. What's new in cryptocurrency? During a tumultuous day of trading on Wednesday, both Bitcoin and Ethereum prices went up. BTC is still stuck at $27,000 and hasn't reached its high in April, which was $30,000. Still, Bitcoin has risen from its lowest point in 2 months, which was set on Friday. Bitcoin went as low as $26,580 during the day on Friday, which was just above its 2-month low of $26,300. By the end of Wednesday, it was close to $27,300.